Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss an important current affairs topic, the appointments current affairs in 2025. So in this video I'll discuss 150 important appointments from January to June 2025. So this is very important for all competitive exam. So before starting the video, I request you, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also please like and share this video. So now let's start the video. So question number 1, appointed as the brand ambassador for the Audi India company is Olympic gold medalist javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra. Next, question number 2. Appointed as the chairperson of the Indian Electronics and Semiconductor Association IESA for the financial year of 2025-26 is Ruchira Dixit. Now, हेलो स्टूडेंट। एसएससी स्टूडेंट के लिए अग्रवाल एग्ज़ाम कार्ड लेके आया है दो बुक। पहला है स्टैटिक जीके बुक और दूसरा बुक है एसएससी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन। तो पहला बुक स्टैटिक जीके, तो इस पे आपको हर जनरल स्टडीज़, हिस्ट्री, आर्ट्स एंड कल्चर, जियोग्राफी एंड जो पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमिक साइंस, हर चैप्टर के डिटेल्स में आपको डिस्कस किया हुआ है इस बुक पे। और दूसरा बुक है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन, एसएससी का हर एसएससी एग्ज़ाम का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन। इस दोनों बुक से आप जीके का प्रिपरेशन करेंगे तो आपको सिलेक्शन और भी ज़्यादा मजबूत हो जाएगा। तो वो दोनों बुक आप खरीद सकते हो। अभी खरीदोगे तो अप टू 50% आपको ऑफ में मिलेगा। तो मैं इस दोनों बुक को आपको रेकमेंड करता हूँ आपका जीके का स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए। और इस दोनों बुक आपको हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों मीडियम में मिल जाएगा। तो इस दोनों बुक का खरीदने के लिए मैं लिंक को डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे दे दूँगा, जहाँ से इस दोनों बुक आप खरीद सकते हैं। Now let's back to the video. Question number 3. Appointed as the brand ambassador for the New Delhi 2025 World Para Athletics Championship is actress Kangana Ranaut. Question number 4. Appointed as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff is Air Marshal Nardamashar Tiwari. Next, question number 5. The Prime Minister of Australia for the second time is Anthony Albanese. Next, question number 6. The Prime Minister of Singapore is Lawrence Wong for the second time. Next, question number 7. The 9th Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago country is Kamala Susila Prasad Baser, the first female Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago. Question number 8. Appointed as the MD of the National Film Development Corporation is Prakash Magdam. Next, question number 9. The new Prime Minister of Yemen country is Salam bin Barik. Next, question number 10. Become the new President of Poland country is Karol Nawrocki. Next, question number 11. Inducted into the prestigious American Academy of Arts and Science is renowned physicist Professor Ajoy K. Sood. Next, question number 12. Become the new Vice Chief of the Air Staff is Narmadeshwar Tiwari. Number 13. Appointed as the additional charge as the Chairman and Managing Director CMD of the Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited BPCL is Sanjay Khanna. Next, question number 14. Appointed as the brand ambassador of the Adidas company is cricketer Rishabh Pant. Next, question number 15. Appointed as the representative of India on the board of International Monetary Fund IMF is Parameswaran Iyer, the currently serving as the ED of World Bank. Number 16. Elected as the Chancellor of Germany country is Friedrich Merz, the 10th Chancellor of Germany of the Christian Democratic Union Party. Next, question number 17. appointed as the MD Managing Director of Titan Company, Ajoy Chawla. Number 18, appointed as the Executive Chairman of the National Legal Service Authority, NALSA, is Justice Surya Kant. Question number 19, appointed as the new Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, is former Defense Secretary Ajoy Kumar. Next, question number 20, elected as the President of the South Korea country is Lee Jae-myung. Next, question number 21, appointed as the Director General of Defense State DGDE is Soilendra Nath Gupta. Next, question number 22, appointed as the Senior Executive Vice President and the Head of the Digital Transformation Excellency Unit of Bandhan Bank is Divyendu Kumar Das. Next, question number 23, appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director CMD of the PTC India Limited is Dr. Manoj Kumar Jawar. Next, question number 24, appointed as the Chairperson of the Internet and Mobile Association of India is M.N. Srinivasu. Next, question number 25, appointed as the new Chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry is Harvansh Chawla. Next, question number 26, appointed as the next President of Melbourne Cricket Council MCC of Australia is E.D. Smith. Next, question number 27, first female officer to be appointed as the ADD Cramp to the Governor in India is Quadrant Leader Monisha Padhi. The prestigious appointment made by the Mizoram Governor Dr. Haribabu Khambatipati. Next, 28, appointed as the new Managing Director CMD and the Chief Executive Officer CEO of Syndicate Bank is Arun Srivastava. Next, question number 29, appointed as the India's next ambassador to Sweden is IFS Anurag Boshan. Next, question number 30, appointed as the South Asia Envoy for the upcoming United Nations Climate Conference COP30 to be held in Brazil in November 2025 is Anubhav Ghosh. Next, question number 31, appointed as the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court is Justice Kampeya Somasekhar. Next, question number 32, appointed as the Global GCC Practice Leader of the ACL Technologies is Kiran Cherukuri. Next, question number 33, appointed as the new Director of the Marine Product Export Development Authority is Ram Mohan MK. Next, question number 34, appointed as the Brand Ambassador for the Karnataka Forest and Wildlife Department is former Indian cricketer Anil Kumble. Next, 35, Samir V. Kamath tenure as the Chairman of the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has been extended by 1 more year. Next, question number 36, appointed as the CEO of Finance Industry Development Council is Raman Agarwal. Next, question number 37, the first Navy officer appointed as the President ADD Camp is SSP Solanki. Next, 38, appointed as the Chairman of the Indigo Airlines is Vikram Singh Mehta. Next, question number 39, appointed as the MD of Hitachi India is N. Venu. Next, 40, appointed as the Brand Ambassador of the Vogue Eyewear in India is actor Shahid Kapoor. Next, question number 41, appointed as the Brand Ambassador of Oakley, a famous sunglasses company, is cricketer Suman Gill. Next, 42, appointed as the Brand Ambassador of Eureka Forbes for its vacuum cleaner range is actress Shraddha Kapoor. Next question number 43. Elected as the 20th president of the Badminton World Federation is Kamuyong Potama Lesradukul of Thailand. Next question number 44. Become the new Director General of Police DGP of Uttar Pradesh is 1991 IPS Rajiv Krishna. Next question number 45. Appointed as the MD, Managing Director and CEO, Chief Executive Officer of SBI Card is Cecilia Pandey. Next 46. Appointed as the new Private Secretary to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is IFS Officer Nidhi Tiwari. Next 47. Appointed as the Chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority is Deputy CAG S. Raman Subramaniam Raman. Next 48. Appointed as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India RBI Bank is Poonam Gupta replace Mitchell Patro. Next question number 49. Appointed as the member of the International Monetary Fund Managing Director Advisory Council and Entrepreneurship and Growth is Natarajan Chandrasekaran, the chairman of the Tata Sons Company. Next question number 50. Appointed as the brand ambassador for the GRM Overseas Limited Premier Basanti Rice brand 10x Jorda King. The star in the Rishta Mubarak is Salman Khan. Next question number 51. Appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council ACC is Pakistan Cricketer Board Chairman Mohsin Naqvi. Next question number 52. Appointed as the chairperson of the FICCI Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries Media and Entertainment Committee South is actor Kamal Hassan. Next 43. Appointed as the president of the Federation of the Indian Export Organization is SC Ralhan. Next 54. Appointed as the brand ambassador of Thomas Cook India's foreign exchange business is actor Karthik Aryan. Next 55. Appointed as the executive director AD president and the chief operating officers of TCS Tata Consultancy Service is Aarti Subramaniam. Next 56. Appointed as the chairperson of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee is former BCCI and Indian captain Saurabh Ganguly. And the appointed as the BVS Lakshman appointed as the panel member once again. Next 57. Appointed as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court is Justice Arun Palli. Next question number 58. Re-elected as the president of the Ecuador country is Daniel Noboa. Next question number 59. Elected as the chairperson and the vice chairperson respectively of the Athletic Commission of the Indian Weightlifting Federation is Olympic silver medalist Mirabai Chanu and Commonwealth Games gold medalist Sutish Kumar. Next question number 60. Become the 52nd Chief Justice of India is Justice B.R. Gobai. Next question number 61. Appointed as the Vice President of the Investment Solution at the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is former Finance Secretary and CEO of Aadhaar is Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Next 62. Appointed as the Revenue Secretary of India is Arvind Srivastava. And become the Secretary of the Department of Economic Affairs is Anuradha Thakur. And appointed as the Secretary of the Ministry of Culture is Vivek Agarwal. Appointed as the Secretary of the Ministry of Labour and Employment is Vandana Gurana. Next, appointed as the secretary to the Department of Expenditure is Volumang Volunam. Next, 63, appointed as the Director General of the Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR is agronomist Dr. Mangilal Jhat. Next, question number 64, appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India is former SC Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Next, 65, appointed as the brand ambassador of French luxury brand Chanel. The first ever from Indian brand ambassador is actress Ananya Pandey. Next, 66, appointed as the chairperson and the managing director of REC Limited, Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, a Navaratna company, is Jitendra Srivastava. Next, question number 67, appointed as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO of India Semiconductor Mission is Amitesh Kumar Sinha. Next, question number 68, appointed as the new country managing director of the YouTube India is Gunjan Soni. Next, question number 69, appointed to the jury of the 68th Cannes Film Festival 2025 is filmmaker Payal Kapadia. Next, question number 70, appointed as the first Indian brand ambassador of the Dreamy Technology is actress Kirti Sanan. Next, 71, re-elected as the chairman and of the Bar Council of India is senior advocate Manan Kumar Misra. Next, 72, appointed as the Controller General of the Defence Account CGDA is Dr. Mayank Sharma. Next, question number 73, become the new Austria's Chancellor is Christian Stoker. Next, 74, appointed as the Global Ambassador of Levi's Company is singer Diljit Dosanjh. Next, 75, appointed as the CEO of the Government of E-Marketplace is Ajoy Vado, the Additional Secretary in the Department of Commerce. Next, question number 76, appointed as the brand ambassador of MRF Tire is cricketer Suman Gills. Next, question number 77, appointed as the BCCI representative on the ACC board as an ex-executive board member is Ashish Selar. Next, 78, appointed as the Secretary of the Department of the Legal Affairs, Ministry of Law and Justice is Anju Rathi, the first Women Secretary of the department. Next, question number 79, appointed as the brand ambassador of the Federal Bank is actress Vidya Balan. Next, question number 80, reappointed as the MD, Managing Director and CEO, Chief Executive Officer of the IndusLand Bank Limited is Sumant Kapalia. Next, 81, appointed as the CMD, Chairman and the Managing Director of HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited is Vikas Kaushal. Next, 82, become the new Prime Minister of Canada is former central banker Mark Carney. Next, question number 83, appointed as the new President and CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Honda Cars India Company is Takashi Nakajima. Next, question number 84, appointed as the chairman of the Tata Communication is N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Next, question number 85, appointed as the chairman of the Automotive Tire Manufacturer Association is Arun Manen, the vice chairman and the managing director of MRF Tire. Next, question number 86, become the new Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago. Stuart Young was replaced by Kamala Bashir. Next, 87, reappointed as the MD and CEO of Bajaj Auto is Rajiv Nayan Rahul Kumar. Next, question number 88, appointed as the new Bank of America India head is Vikram Sahu. Next, 89, elected as the new chairman of the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage is Ashok Singh Thakur. 90, appointed as the new Chief Justice of Odisha High Court is Harish Tandon. Next, 91, elected as the bureau member of the United World Wrestling Asia is Wrestling Federation of India President Sanjay Sinha. Next, question number 92, become the new Finance Secretary of India is Ajay Seth. Next, question number 93, appointed as the Director of the National Institute of Health by the US Senate is Indian American scientist Joy Bhattacharya. Next, 94, appointed as the Chairman of the Indian Banking Association is State Bank of India Chairman C.S. Shetty, Challa Srinivasan Shetty. 95, appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security is Rajesh Nirwan. Next, 96, appointed as the head of the Judicial Commission of the Mahakumbh Stampede at Prayagraj on 29th January is retired Judge of Allahabad High Court Justice Harsh Kumar. Next, question number 97, reappointed as the MD, Managing Director and CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Maruti Suzuki India is Hitachi Tekuchi. Next, 98, become the new Prime Minister of Belgium is Barack de Wever. Next, 99, appointed as the head of the Citibank India is K. Bala Subramaniam. Next, 100, appointed as the CEO of Nokia Justin Hotard. 101, appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India is Ganesh Kumar. And Vivek Joshi has been appointed as the new election commissioner. Next, 102, the new Chief Minister of Delhi is Rekha Gupta, the fourth female Chief Minister of Delhi after Sushma Swaraj, Cecilia Dixit and Otesi Marlen, and overall ninth Chief Minister of Delhi. Next, 103, India's Chief Economic Advisor V. Ananta Nageswaran term has been extended for 2 years until March 2027. Next, 104, the center has extended the tenure of the Niti Aayog Chief Executive Officer B.V.R. Subramaniam for 1 year. Next, question number 105, appointed as the MD, Managing Director and CEO of the Kotak Mahindra Prime, a subsidiary of the Kotak Mahindra Bank is Saruk Todiwala. Next, 106, appointed as the Principal Secretary of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is Shaktikanta Das. Next, question number 110, become the ninth Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation FBI of USA is Indian origin Kash Patel. Next, 111, appointed as the brand ambassador of ICC Championship Trophy 2025 were Shikhar Dhawan of India, Shane Watson of Australia, Tim Saudi of New Zealand and Sarfaraz Ahmad of Pakistan. Next, 112, appointed as the new CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Unilever Company is Fernando Fernandez. Next, question number 113, appointed as the Chairman of the Ratan Tata Endorsement Foundation is Natarajan Chandrasekaran, the Chairman of the Tatas and Sons. Next, 114, appointed as the new Chairman and the Chairman of the Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, is Finance Secretary Tuhin Kanto Pandey. Next, 115, appointed as the Secretary General of the Associate Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India, Association, is Manish Singhal. Next question number 116. Become the new chairman of ISRO in Indian Space Research Organization is V. Narayanan. Next 117. Appointed as the CEO of Unique Identification Authority of India is IAS Bhuvnesh Kumar. Next 118. Reappointed as the non-executive chairman of Bandhan Bank is Arup Kumar Sinha. Next 119. Appointed as the Chief Directorate General of Civil Aviation is IAS Fayaz Ahmad Kidwai. Next 120. Appointed as the Chief Secretary of the Board of Control for the Cricket in India BCCI is Jebjit Salkia. Next 121. Appointed as the CEO of the Mascom Foundation is Jyoti Sharma. Next, question number 122. Appointed as the chairman and the managing director CMD of the Food and Corporation India FCI is IAS Asutosh Agnihotri. Next, 123. Elected as the new president of the Athletics Federation of India is Asian Game gold medalist Bahadur Singh Sago. Next, 124. Appointed as the treasurer of the BCCI is Pavatej Singh Bhatia. Next, question number 125. The president of Ghana is John Mahama. Next, 126. Appointed as the chief of the Indian Air Force Western Air Command is Air Marshal Jatendra Mishra. Next, 127. Appointed as the brand ambassador for the Tata Mumbai Marathon is world champion Mo Farah. Next, 128. Elected as the president of Lebanon country is Joseph Aoun. Next, question number 129. The president of Venezuela is Nicolas Maduro. Next, 130. Appointed as the brand ambassador of Puma India company is Indian starter legend is PV Sindhu. 131. Appointed as the secretary of the Department of Higher Education is Vinith Joshi. Next, 132. Appointed as the MD, Managing Director and CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Indian Bank is Vinod Kumar. Next, 133. Appointed as the MD, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of PNB Bank, Punjab National Bank is Ashok Chandra. 134. Appointed as the Chairperson of the PM Museum and the Library Society is Nipendra Mishra. Next, 135. Appointed as the 72nd US Secretary of the State in the Donald Trump administration is Marco Rubio. Next, 136. Appointed as the Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force CRPF is Ganendra Pratap Singh. Next, 137. Appointed as the MD and CEO of Zurich Kotak General Insurance is Ashok Kumar Agarwal. Next, 138. Appointed as the CEO of the Reliance Powers is Neeraj Parekh. Next, 139. Next, 139. Reappointed as the MD, Managing Director and CEO, Chief Executive Officer of IDBI Bank, Industrial Development Bank of India is Rakesh Sharma. Next, 134. 40. The Prime Minister of Ireland is Michel Martin. Next, 141. The President of Belarus for the 7th time is Belarusian leader Alexander Lukashenko. Next, 142. The new Prime Minister of Bulgaria is Rosen Zelenoskov. Next, 143. Appointed as the MD, Managing Director and CEO of the Axis Max Life Insurance Limited is Sumit Madan. Next, 144 will be the CEO and the MD, Managing Director of the Life Insurance Corporation of India LIC is R. Doraisamy and replaced Siddhartha Mohanty. Next, 145 appointed as the Deputy Chief Executive Officer of SBI General Insurance is Arif Khan. Next, 146 appointed as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industries CII for 2025-26 is Rajiv Manani, the Chairman and the CEO of YE India. Next, 147 appointed as the Global Brand Ambassador of the Esports World Cup 2025 is footballer Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal. Next, 148 appointed as the Global Brand Ambassador of Maldives Tourism is actress Katrina Kaif. Next, 149 appointed as the MD, Managing Director and the Head for the Meta in India is Arun Srinivasan. Next, 150 elected as the President of the International Big Cat Alliance IBCA is during the first assembly held in New Delhi is Bhupendra Yadav, the Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So these are the 150 important appointments from January to June 2025. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the like button and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also join my Telegram group. The link is in the description box, also in the pinned comment, where you get all the PDF file of this channel. So make sure you follow the Telegram group. And also check the playlist where you get all kind of current affairs and general knowledge question in this channel. So make sure you check the playlist. And also check this Agarwal exam card books for GK. You can get the books from, I given the link in the description box where you get this book. So thanks for watching my video. Bye.